Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to set up this electric bike that I am having here. Firstly, this is a motor. As you can see, the specification is mentioned here. This is the specification of this motor. You can buy easily on eBay, Amazon. I have connected this like this. And here is a motor mount that I used. It came with the kit that I brought from eBay. It costed me around 8,000 rupees. This is the electric motor part, and this is the wire that is joined to this controller here. Wait, I've put the controller here. Here is the controller. I have also attached a key here. It is a on off key. And here is the battery. 212-volt battery I've connected in series. Here is the throttle. The speed of this e-bike speed is around 20 km per hour. Its maximum speed that I recorded is 22 km per hour, and at steep slopes it had around 10 km per hour speed. The speed is not enough, but as per the cost of this kit, it is enough. Here is the throttle connected to this controller that uses the power of these two batteries connected in series. 12-volt 8 ampere hour batteries in series, and this electric bike runs with the power of this motor. It is a 250-watt one, and you can also turn off the system and turn on the system by using this key. I also had more components, but I didn't attach them. The charger came faulty, and the headlight that also showed the battery level, and it also consisted on was broken. I ordered the kit from eBay, and I have requested and returned for the kit, but I don't know if they will return it or not. Here is the test drive of this electric bike. Here is one test drive of this electric bike. This is the maximum speed that I have put the throttle on full. One of the problem with this e-bike is that it needs some distance to attain its full speed, and that distance is really frustrating. And if you try if you try accelerating from a steep hill, it will take some time. I am on a flat ground, and let us see how fast it will accelerate. This is the acceleration of this bike. If you like this video, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thanks for watching.